Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beef tataki using an easy method. First, select a premium cut of beef, like a tenderloin or sirloin, weighing about 1 pound. Next, prepare a simple, aromatic marinade. You will then quickly sear the beef to create a beautiful crust while keeping the inside rare. Finally, chill the beef completely before slicing it thinly and arranging it for serving. This simple process ensures a delightful and impressive dish every time. For the best tataki, start with a 1 pound cut of high-quality beef, such as tenderloin or sirloin. For the marinade, combine 1/4 cup of soy sauce with 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Then, add 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger and 1 minced garlic clove. Whisk these ingredients together well. Place your beef in this mixture, ensuring it is fully coated, and let it marinate for about 30 minutes to 1 hour to infuse flavor. Now, let's sear the beef. Heat 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil, in a heavy-bottomed skillet over high heat until shimmering. Carefully place the marinated beef in the hot pan and sear each side for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute, creating a nice brown crust. Immediately transfer the seared beef to an ice bath for 2 minutes to stop the cooking process. Then, pat it completely dry. The final steps are crucial for presentation and taste. First, ensure your seared beef has been thoroughly chilled for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Using a very sharp knife, slice the beef against the grain into pieces that are about 1/8 of an inch thick. Arrange these delicate slices artfully on a platter. Drizzle with any remaining marinade or a fresh ponzu sauce, and garnish with thinly sliced green onions for a vibrant finish. Enjoy your homemade beef tataki.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.